Kitten up a tree. What's flying so close to the tree? Kitten wants to find out. She climbs up after it. Higher and higher. But it flies away. Now Kitten is stuck up in the tree. She is afraid to climb down by herself. Meow, she cries. Help me, Mama. Kitten's mother wakes up. She leaps off the bench and into the tree. Then she climbs right up to Kitten. Don't cry, Kitten, she says. There is nothing to be afraid of. And she carries Kitten down. My goodness, says Mama, what an adventure you have had today. Kitten is very happy to be safe and sound again. The end.